Babylon, the cradle of civilization, a city where gold flowed like water and where temples pierced the heavens. 6,000 years ago, it was the wealthiest city on earth, a place where men knew the secrets of money. But in the shadow of these golden walls lived those who had nothing. This is Bansir, the chariot builder. He is a master of his craft. From sunrise to sunset, his hammer rings, and yet his purse is empty. He sits paralyzed by a question that haunts hard-working men across the centuries. Why do some men bask in the sun of wealth, while others toil in the shadows? His friend approaches, Kobbi, the musician, a man with a beautiful song in his heart, but an empty stomach. Kobbi asks to borrow 2 measly shekels. Bansir laughs a bitter laugh. "If I had 2 shekels," he declares, "I would not lend them, for they would be my entire fortune." 2 friends, both skilled, both hard-working, both broke. They realized that working hard was not the same as building wealth. They needed a teacher. They decided to seek out the one man who knew the answer. His name was Arkad. He was known across the ancient world simply as the richest man in Babylon. Arkad was not born rich. He was once a humble scribe, carving clay tablets for pennies. But he had discovered something the others had not. Bansir and Kobbi stood before him and asked the hard question. "Arkad, we have worked as hard as you. Why has fate singled you out to enjoy all the good things of life and ignored us?" Arkad smiled. He told them that for years he too had labored for nothing. He earned money and immediately gave it away to the landlord, the sandal maker, the food merchant. Until one day, a wealthy moneylender told him the secret that changed his life, the secret that built Babylon itself. A part of all you earn is yours to keep. Bansir was confused. "But Arkad," he said, "is not all that I earn mine to keep?" "Far from it," Arkad replied. "Do you not pay the garment maker? Do you not pay for your sandals? You pay everyone but yourself. You labor for others. You are a slave to your expenses." The lesson was simple, yet agonizingly hard. Before you pay the world, you must pay yourself. No matter how little you earn, 1/10 must be set aside. It is not to be touched. It is not to be spent. It is the seed from which your forest of wealth will grow. It sounded too simple to be true, but as the sun set over the mighty walls of Babylon, Bansir the chariot builder realized he had been paying the master, but starving the slave himself. Babylon has fallen to dust. Its hanging gardens have vanished, but its wisdom remains untouched by time. Today, we live in a new Babylon. We have more debt, more distractions, and more desires than Bansir ever dreamed of. We work harder than ever, yet our purses remain lean. The laws of gold do not change. If you desire the wealth of the ancients, you must first learn their discipline. Pay yourself first, for a part of all you earn is yours to keep.